I will demonstrate the functions through this video, but to show the vibrations, I'm going to place a cup of water behind the back of the cat, like this. Okay. Here we go. So to power it on, simply press and hold the left paw. Okay. Now you can see the vibration through the water. Okay. So I'm going to click it again to enter mode 2, which is motor only. Okay. Again for mode 3 with sound only. Okay, then press again to enter sleep mode at 60% volume with vibrations. And the sound and vibration will gradually reduce until it turns off. Okay, so click again to turn sound and motor off. And this enters the standby mode. Okay, and you can click again to loop back to mode 1. Let's see, the water vibrates. Okay, now the right paw controls the volume. This is at 0 volume, but you can see the vibration is still on. Okay, and then you click again to turn it back on. Okay. And to turn it off, just press and hold the left paw.